Hello everyone, welcome to BizInnovate. I am Neeraj. Two words are changing the way we work. Two words are shaking the industry for the good. What are these two words? Any guess? Yes, that's correct. These two words are artificial intelligence. Our today's topic is artificial intelligence in Dynamics 365 customer service. In our demonstration today, we are going to cover two topics, Smart Assist and Copilots. Let's jump to demonstration quickly. Thank you. So first of all, we're going to learn Copilot in customer service. I logged in as admin into customer service admin center. Go to agent experience and click on productivity. First option, Copilot help and click on manage. You can see this feature is still in preview, so it is available only for US English. Click this option, make Copilot available to agents. Also click for customer chat and for email. Once you enable these options, Copilot is available to agents. Sometime I noticed that Copilot features are not available under customer service workspace. In that case, we can do one thing. We can go to workspace, go to agent experience profile, click on manage. Default profiles we cannot modify, so we made a new profile and we have added a user into new profile like this one. The user must have role of customer service representative and Copilot preview option should be on. Now we will log into customer service workspace from this user. So we logged into customer service workspace with the user and we can see this option over here, Copilot preview. Here we have two options, ask a question and write an email. Let's go one by one. Let's say we type refund policy. So we waiting for the answer. Okay, we got the answer. We can also check the source of the answer from we got the answer from the knowledge article. We can also configure few external portals for search purpose. If you like article, you can click this button. If you don't like, you can click this button. You can copy the contents and use for the sharing purpose. Other feature is write an email. If you click on this option, it will tell you please open an email first. Let me go to a case. Activities. New email. So you can see multiple options are here. Suggest a call, request more information, empathize with feedback, and few other options. Let me click one of them. Resolve the customer problem. So AI generating response for us. For your information, AI always gives suggestions that you can modify as per your requirements. So this is a suggestion of the AI. for an email, and you can modify or use it as it is for your customer copy, and you can also modify. If you don't like it, you can start again. So we have covered ask a question and write an email under Copilot for customer service. Thank you. In previous demo, we have covered Copilot. Now we're going to start our Smart Assist demo. Click on Inbox, click on any case. On right side, you can see option Smart Assist, which came from here. Under Smart Assist, you will find two kind of suggestions. One is about knowledge articles, other is about similar cases. So system will give you top 3 article suggestions based on the relevance of the current open case. It will also show you level of confidence of AI for the suggested article. System will only show article which have confidence score 65% or high. If you find this article relevant, you can press yes. If you find this article irrelevant, you can press no. System will use this feedback for further improvements. If you wish, you can also link the article with the case from here. System will show you similar case suggestions which are resolved in past, which is almost similar to the current open case. Rest of options are similar to knowledge article like confidence score, relevancy, and link to case. I hope you found it useful. Thank you. To see more demonstrations of this kind, please subscribe. Thank you.